everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. In this video we're going to make pebble art. So collect some pebbles like this and spread paint on it. We are mixing green and black paint here like this using a brush. After this we are going to give it a texture of grey and white paint as well. Look what we are making here. Now we are drawing the flowers like this at the center of the pebble like this. Draw its leaves. Use a small brush in this position. Now we are going to add more details like we are doing here. We are going to make a 3D art. So we are giving a final touch using this white paint. Surrounding it, we are going to add a few more touches, and look, your artwork is ready. Collect some rock and pebbles from your surrounding and start painting them. We are going to do this white paint at first. Now we are making a beautiful scenery here using different colors. Use a very thin brush, and first we are drawing this heart. Now with the help of this tissue paper, we are going to put pink paint on the pebble. Here we are making a cherry blossom tree. Look how pretty this is looking. Add more details like this. We are drawing this lake and birds on the top of it, and look, your beautiful scenery on the pebble is ready. We're going to make beautiful pond on this pebble. So let's get started. We are spreading this green and blue paint around the pebble like this. Now we are going to give it a 3D touch. So with this very thin brush, start adding details like this. We are also drawing beautiful two little fishes on the pond like this. Draw the grass around it like we're doing here, and look, your painting is ready. Here we are going to make a 3D painting on this pebble. First make a rough sketch using pencil and start outlining it using this black paint and thin brush. Now color it like this. Here we are going to add more details using this white paint to give it more 3D structure. Now we are going to add more details like this, and look, it's almost ready now. Add more details using this white and black paint, and look, it is ready and it's looking very beautiful. Here we are going to make a beautiful scenery on this pebble. So mix these colors using a brush. We are making a night view, so we are making clouds and black mountains using this brush. So spread the paint like we are doing here. After this we are also making the stars, so spread some white paint on the top of it. We are making this lake and two persons standing and looking at the sky, and look, your painting is ready, and look how pretty this is looking. Thank you so much for watching this video.